If you are paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, another $20 for Claude Pro, and another $20 for Gemini, stop. You guys can actually test this model for completely free. You can actually test and use this newest model from OpenAI, Anthropic, and even Google all in one place for completely free. Now, let's be 100% real. Before we dive in, this is not an infinite money glitch or a shady loophole. We are using ClickUp's official free AI trial credit. It gives you free credit to test out all this top tier model without entering a credit card. So is it unlimited forever? No, it is a limited credit pool. But if you wanted to test this expensive model side by side to see which one is actually worth your money, this is hands down the best legit way to do it. And please do not abuse it, just use it properly. All right, so just basically go to the clickup.com, and then you guys need to click on get started. It's free, and you need to enter up your Gmail account. And once you guys are done with your Gmail account, it should just look like mine here. So you'll be on home right now, and you need to go to AI tab, and you can directly access AI Brain, which is the ClickUp's own model. And it says it's going to use the best model from Anthropic and OpenAI. So you guys can see that we have GPT 5.6 Soul and Claude Opus 5, which is like a crazy latest model right now, and which is powerful as well. You guys can use this model to create anything that you guys wanted to. And sorry that if you guys are like programmer and if you guys wanted to connect on your VS Code, this will not work. But yeah, you can do that workflow with some MCP server, but I guess it is very much hassling. But I recommend you guys to use only this interface right here, which is web based on your ClickUp. So yeah, you can choose your Claude model or whatever. Let's go to Claude basically. And so I'm just going to give the Claude a prompt to create some productive app. All right, so let's go. So this I have generated from Gemini. I don't want it to spend my credits on this one because you can see we have a very limited credit. ClickUp gives you Brain AI as only 20 credits, and you can see the AI super credits are also over there. So you need to give there and just click on this send button. Now let's see the result. So you can see that I have just created the web app. I'm just going to show you how it looked like on preview. Look at that, guys. This is crazy. Even the sounds, it worked. I can also silence this all. And I can start the timer. There you go, it's working. All right, so if you wanted to focus on a short period, a long period, you can do that as well. Pretty much just working completely fine. And we also have like a Kanban board here. If you guys have used Trello, it's similar to that. You can drag and drop and it just worked perfectly fine. So if you guys wanted to download, you can simply click on this download link and save this on your download folder, whatever you want. So I'm just going to save that, open this up. And there we go, we have now full screen. You can upload this onto your server as well and use this as whatever that you guys wanted to do. So this is crazy that Opus is doing. And now you can switch this different model as well whenever that you guys are chatting. All right, so let's say you wanted to chat with like GPT 5.6. So now I'm just going to give this meme generator prompt. Let's go with 5.6 and we're gonna wait. So this time it speeds up some kind of HTML here, so it's very long, you can see that. So since this is like a HTML file, so we need to copy this. Now we need to create a new file. All right, so I'm just going to paste this file, save this as HTML on dot. Let's go here. So I'm just going to save this as test.html and save. So now just open it up, this folder. So I'm just going to open up this folder. So there we go, guys. So we have created the meme generator here. So now you can edit this, drag this. All right, you can also upload your own image if you wanted to. So let's go with some screenshot here. All right, what about this one? So you can see that. So this worked completely fine. Now you guys have generated the meme generator here. We named this as a meme forge on prompt. Yeah, there you go. We can also change the text here, whatever. All right, the text just like that. You can increase the font, width, even colors if you wanted to, and outlines as well. You can see that, crazy, right? So yeah, so just type in your prompt using the one of this model, and once it reply, you can actually switch back to any models as well, like different like GPT or Gemini or Opus, even a Brain as well, without losing any kind of your conversation history. It's perfect for testing which AI handle your specific prompts, and you guys can also side-by-side prompt output comparison. So instead of dropping those $60 a month just to try different AI subscription, you guys can try this on one spot here. You can see all of them are free, completely free to use. You guys won't believe me what I have created with this. And you guys can see that I have also created some other stuff here, like we have just created this one, and this is the game, a snake game. Basically, you can see that it's working completely fine. I can also change the color if I wanted to, and I can also go to arcade or classic. You can see, all right, game's over. So now this is the XML file that I need to solve my Android equalizer application issue. So I just created that and it just fixed that as well, and I'm happy with this. So this one here is the Mario. You can see I just created the alternative Mario. Pretty much cool that you guys can play this for free. You guys can create this for completely free. But yeah, you can see we have a bugs and you need to fix that by iterating. All right, and we also created the Ludo and I'm playing that. We have also fixed the bugs here. You can see I can play that. And this is finally the main force. I have created this in front of you guys. So now go ahead and test them all in one spot with your free trial credits, and drop a comment below letting me know that which model give you the best answer, Claude, GPT or Gemini. If this saved your wallet today, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides just like this. See you guys next one. Peace.